A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are well. As yesterday we have done rationalization, today I'll teach you simplification, means how to simplify the different irrational numbers or rational numbers. So let's just start with the first question. Our first question is 3 under root 45 minus under root 125 plus under root 200 minus under root 50. Yesterday I have explained you about the power of surds. I have told you that suppose if it is given like this, it implies that nothing is given, so it is a power of surd of order 2. Means you have to do it in this way, 2 into 2, and one number should be come out. So this will be 2 answer. Same here, nothing is given, so the power of surd will be of order 2. It is 3 outside and 45 under root. So for 45 you have to find out the prime factor. Let me remind you about the prime factors, although you all might know it. So 45 is given here. How to find out prime factor for this? 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are, and 3 ones are, sorry, 3 fives are 15. So this is the prime factors. So prime factors of 45 will be 3 into 3 into 5. What are the prime numbers? Let me remind you. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, one the number itself and the other one is 1. So these are the prime numbers and these are the prime factors for that. So I suggest you, instead of finding it like this, now you all are grown up, so you should recall it in your mind. You should recall the tables and then you should write all these prime factors by yourself without finding it. You should try to write it verbally. So let's start. This is given 3 under root 45. So as I have told you, 45, the prime factors are 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45. Now 125, 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. Now next is 200. 2 into 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 25s are 100 and 100 2s are 200. This is the prime factors of 200. Now 50. Let's write the prime factor for 50. 5 10s are 50. So 5 2s are 10 and 10 5s are 50. I have written all the prime factor. As it is a power of surd of order 2, so we can take out one number from here outside. This is 2 here, and 1 2 can be taken out and 1 5 can be taken out. Same here, only 5 can be taken out. So let's write, this is 3, 1 3 will come out, 3 into 3, and under root 5 will remain inside only. Only 1 5 will come out, 1 5 will remain inside. 1 5 and 1 2 will come out. 1 5 and 1 2 will come out, and inside only 1 2 will left. Correct? 1 5 will come out and inside under root 2 will left. Now just solve it. 3 3s are 9, 9 under root 5 minus 5 under root 5 minus 10 under root 2 plus 5 under root 2. Now let me recall once again. In polynomials, I have taught you can only do addition and subtraction, or in fact division and multiplication also, which have the same order of degree. Same here. Here is not any degree and all, but here if the powers are given, surds are given, so the same surds of power you will add, subtract, multiply or divide. Different you can't. See, this is 5 and 5. These both are similar, so you can solve it. This is under root 2. These also 2 can solve. But if you want to simply minus this from this, that you can't do. So let's start from here. 9 under root 5 minus 5 under root 5 will be 4 under root 5. Correct? Minus 10 and plus 5. Plus minus minus. So minus 5. Why minus 5? Because minus 10 is greater than plus 5. And this is under root 2. Now see, this cannot be simplified further. This is the simplest form. So this question is completed over here, as you have to give the answer in the simplified form. So here we completed our first question. Now coming to the next. This is the question. As I told you, same power of surds can be multiplied, divided and so on. So just see it very carefully. You can write it like this. Under root 140 upon 28 plus under root 55 upon 99. I hope all of you have understood till here. Now see, simplified. 6 5s are 30, 28. 28 5s are, and 11 5s are, and 11 9s are. So what we get here? 2 under root 5 minus 3 under root 5 plus under root 5 upon under root 9. Now have a look here. Under root 9 can be written like this, under root 3 into 3, and only 3 will come out. So just check it here. 2 under root 3 minus 3 under root 3 plus 5 upon under root 5 upon 3. This will come. Now see, please don't make mistake over here. Don't think that first solve this and after that you will solve this. I suggest you just take a LCM of overall these 3 terms and then solve it further. So 3 will be the LCM here. Now 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Correct? Minus 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 9 under root 3 plus under root 5. Sorry, this is your 5 over here. This is also your 5 over here. So this is also 5 and this number is also 5. Now you can solve it because all the terms are with under root 5. So start solving. Plus 6 minus 9 plus minus minus. So 6 minus 9 minus 6 will be 3 minus 3 and plus 1. Minus 3 and plus 1 will be minus ka 2. And under root 5 will come as it is, and this will be 3 over here, and minus 2 under root 5 upon 3 will be your final answer. This is the simplified form. Now it cannot be simplified further. Now coming forward to the next, this is under root 72. See, as I told you, instead of finding the prime factor like this, now you all are grown up, you should solve it verbally. Okay, so 72, 9 8s are 72, correct? Now try to write the factors in this way. 9 8s are 72, so 3 3s are 9 and 8s are 72, 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. These all are the prime factors plus 800. Now solve for 800. How to solve? Now in next step you will write the prime factor of 800. So let's start. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 5s are is 160, and 160 5s is 800. This is the prime factor for 800, correct? Now minus 18 is here. 9 2s are 18 and 9 will be 3 3s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. Now these two makes pair, these two makes pair, these two, this 5 and this 3. So all the paired number will come out because it is in power of 2. So all the paired number will come out and the unpaired number will remain inside the under root. So this 3 will come out and 1 2 will come out and under root 2. Plus this 2 will come out, 1 2, 1 5 and under root 2 will remain inside. This 3 will come out and under root 2. So 3 2s are 6 under root 2 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 under root 2 minus 3 under root 2. I hope it is clear till here to all. So 20 plus 6. Now see, all these are having under root 2 with them. So these can be simplified further. If suppose if any of the term is having different root, different 5, different under root 3, these cannot be simplified, but as they are having the same under roots powers with them, so these can be simplified further. So 6 plus 20 will be 26 under root 2 minus 3 under root 2. 26 minus 3 will be 23 under root 2. This is the simplified answer for this question. See, I am showing to you all the questions which I have done today. Please, I suggest you all to look all these videos over again and again, so that you can understand it in better way. And if you want to ask, you are most welcome. You are free to ask whenever you want. But please try to understand them very properly so that you don't make any mistake while doing your questions. Okay, thank you all.